We gonna make value compressor like this from K, million and billion in this tutorial coming up. Hey, what's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a compressor like this. It will support the values from K. Here you can see thousands will be for K, then millions will be with M, 3 letter support, and also the billions, and not more than that. So let's get started. First of all, create a new project. So yeah, I have a new project. Delete the sprite, make a new sprite, and set up the scene as you want. So let's get started. First of all, make two variables called the value for all sprites and also the compressed value for all sprites. So here we have two variables. Let's set it to the slider, the value, and let's set the max to 100 billion. Say 1 triple 0 triple 0 triple 0 and double 0. So this is 100 billion, I think. And so here we're gonna set it to the center. Then the compressed value should be in large readout. Here you can see. Then let's get started with scripting. So when the green flag clicked, hide forever, change value by 1. To make this slower, here you can see this is very fast. So let's make it slower by putting a wait 0.05 seconds. So here you can see this is now increasing slowly, and let's set it to 10 so we can get to into thousands very quickly. I'm setting it to say 25. So here you can see this is very slow than the before one. And also put a set value to 0. If you want, you can remove this hide. Then also put another one when the green flag clicked, forever, and then make a block called compressor. Then put the value here, then value, or put here the greater than. So this will contain the value after which it should be converted to K, M or B. So then this is the value, then the sign we want, like, then put, and then finally we want the length of the variable, not the number of the variable but the number of letters. So it will be length with an input. Run without screen refresh. Without screen refresh should be unchecked. Click on OK, and here you can see put your if statement, if equal to operator, if value, if value is greater than this value, the greater than value, here put the compressed variable or the value variable. Then put your if else statement, if else, put a equal to operator, then length of the variable value is equal to length, then set compressed value to, then put here a join statement, then the letter 1 of value, and then here we'll put the sign. Then duplicate this if else statement and put this in the else, and then make this here and plus and length plus 1. Then duplicate this, remove the sign from this one and put it here and set it to 2. Then duplicate this and put it here 3. Then plus 2, and just remove this, or just duplicate this and remove the sign, put it here and set value to 3. And then just remove this and put it in a if statement instead of if else. So this is our script, the main script we need for this. So now we're gonna implement it. Here put this in the forever loop, greater than 999. We can't put 1000 as it won't detect 1000, so we are putting 999. Then the sign should be k for 1000, and length is 4, 1000 as a length of 4, 1000. Then duplicate this and just double the number of digits here, 999. Copy this and paste it here. I'm just typing. Then million, this is for million, and 7. Then duplicate this, then again add 3 nines here, then B for billion, and this should be 10. And also put a set compressed value to 0. So here you can see now it is now 1000, so it is 1k. In 2k, here you can see this is 3 billion. This is the slider value here you can see. If you wanna check the millions, just right click and set it to 1 million or 100 million. So now you can see 100 million here. So yeah, this is working. You can input your variables in this. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.